Okay, I'm sure you're gonna laugh at me because I've been here. I made the video, which was like 25 minutes. I went outside. I said, let me pop the garage door to get my cleaning supplies. And I came in and I said, wait, let me see if the floor in the room off the kitchen, that's going to be the game room. I think it's supposed to be the dining room. Let me see if that's what's under that carpet, if it's hardwood or not. And in 15 minutes, I ripped the whole fucking thing out. So this is why I fucking hate carpet. Do you see this? That's nothing. The amount of dirt, that is just dirt. The linoleum underneath it was so old that I legitimately ripped it off with my fingertips with no issue. Look at this dirt. That's nothing. Because so much of it already went all over the ground. I don't care how good your vacuum is. I don't care how often you vacuum. If you have carpet in your house, I guarantee you, that's fucking under it. This one didn't have a carpet pad. It went right over very old linoleum. This is how easily this came up. Well, this is under the, pull this. Here we go. This is disgusting. Now, this is not a hardwood, but I kind of actually like it. It's just subfloor, but I feel like I can clean it up and sand it. And let me just tell you right now, if I get stuck with this one fucking piece of linoleum in the middle of the floor that doesn't want to come up, the floor is actually really level, and I love this old dark, whatever it is. This is gonna be the game room. I can either put LVP over it, or really, I kind of like the rustic look. It's going to be a game room. This could be like man cave. I mean, look at the dirt. I mean, I got this out in probably, I would say 12 minutes. I can cut along there because it's underneath. It's underneath there. And it snaps off nicely. I'll just put a piece of shoe molding. But it came out from under here. I'll get rid of this ugly threshold. But look at how thick the dirt is. And it's literally dirt. It's dirt. That's why I hate carpet. It traps everything, including smells. I'm hoping that was the only carpet that really stunk. Because I do want to take the carpet out in the other rooms. But without having any hardwood underneath. That looks like it was an addition with the step down. But I can't really, I gotta find a corner. I have to find a corner that I might be able to pull back somewhere else. Oh, that's gotta get clean. Fuck that. Yeah, I'm not gonna tear this out right now. It's a small room, but I'm just not prepared to have the main room when you walk in have just a subfloor. But what gave me the hope that it was gonna be hardwood was this living room. I'm not sure, I'll have to figure it out. But it only took me, it was luckily no more than like 10 minutes. And I have my scraper in the car and my screwdriver. I wasn't planning on doing this today, but I'm glad because I really don't want to move in. I didn't want to put a pool table in here and all my stuff and then have to move it out to get the carpet out. It came out so easily. I'm just thrilled. I threw it out the back fucking door. Damn. No rest for the weary. Fucking grass doesn't grow under my feet. I'm out.